Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence. We're talking about Secretary of State data today, especially Minnesota. We're going to go to Minnesota and we're going to show you how to search for business stuff at the Secretary of State. We're going to talk about different fields that are available. We're going to show you how to do it with our portal and then how to integrate it with Postman and then also an SDK. Minnesota. These are the fields available for Minnesota. Nothing big surprising here. It has the standard, the basics like stat, all that information, but it doesn't have officer or organization documents, so it's kind of... Anyway, let's go over here to the Secretary of State page for Minnesota. The cool thing is you can filter by active or inactive. We'll just go contains and we'll say active right for now, and we'll say, so now what about just teacher? I'm just picking random stuff here. Here we go. Tamils Teachers Association. Yep, that looks great. Okay, so here we go. We got the nonprofit corporation. It's a domestic one. Home jurisdiction. There we go. That's the state of formation. We have a president. So we have officer. Wait. President. Okay, we'll have to look at that to see if we can get that in the future ones. I'm going to make a note here. Hold on, I'm making a note. So let's go over here. I'm going to go Minnesota. And this is our portal, by the way. This is the Cobalt Intelligence portal. This kind of is a place for you to test the data. You can sign in, create an account, you get some free requests, and you get a little bit of time to use it and test it out. This is about what we'd expect, the basic stuff. Now, let's go to Postman. Here we go, paste that in there. Minnesota MN, send it. So this is what your request is gonna look like. In your headers, you're gonna have an X-API-key, and the value, you're gonna have the API key. And then you come over here and you got the stuff down here, kind of shows the data. That's it for Postman. Now let's go to the SDK. Here we go, MN, and let's send it. So down here, this is the SDK. If you're a JavaScript user, Node.js, you come over here, you can initialize the SOS API right here, and then you add process environment, Cobalt Intelligence, or the API key. I import it via, environment variables, but you put the API key here, it'll be a string. Then you call the method get business details. You pass in business name, state, and then any of the parameters you want, such as screenshot, which I did right there. And you can see the screenshot right here. So let's click on it and look, see what it looks like. Look over here, and there it is. We got a timestamp, we got a URL, and then we have all that stuff that shows, hey, you actually did go to the state and confirm that this business is real.